What's up, y'all? It's Khalil Beats. I'm about to go ahead and roll the intro. We are winning. Y'all like that intro? But today I'm here. I'm about to retwist my hair. Y'all know I had to get it on camera. This is the before. I'm gonna retwist one of it and I'm gonna show y'all what I did. Then I'm gonna just go ahead and just forward the rest of the progress. So I got my retwisting gel, I got my clips, and I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my head. I ain't gonna show that to y'all yet, but I'm about to show y'all what I do. So my hair, I just bleached my hair, so I ain't gonna put no rubber band on it because I don't want to stress my hair too much. So what I do is, I'm all the way at the back. And I found the first dread that I want to retwist. I know y'all can see that, so I'm all the way at the back. Here's the dread I want to retwist. So you either could go right or you could go left when you retwist your hair, but I go right. So you go ahead and get your retwisting gel. Once you get your retwisting gel, you put it on the dread. You put it on the new growth. So as y'all can see. So I just put it on the new growth. And then you start retwisting. You start twisting to the side that you want twisted on. So I go right. Then after I do that, I put the clip on. And I don't put it all the way at the scalp. I put it like an inch or two away from the scalp. So that's the first one we twisted. Just this color else. Okay guys, so I just got done retwisting. I got the clips in. This is how it looks. That's how it looks. When I take the clips out, after I dry it with the blow dryer, when I take the clips out, I'm gonna show y'all what the finished product look like. Okay y'all, I'm officially done retwisting. I'm about to show y'all what it's looking like. Let's take a look. So, what it's looking like. So, yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. So, thank y'all for watching, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.